Hey intruders, welcome back to Intruder Security. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of ethical hacking by showing you how to install Metasploitable 2 on VirtualBox 7. Metasploitable 2 vulnerable machine that enables the learning and practice of Metasploit. If you're new to the field or just getting started with virtualization, don't worry. We'll walk you through every step of the process. I will be installing it on my Linux machine. The steps won't change even if you have a Windows machine. Before we begin, make sure you have VirtualBox 7 installed on your system. You can download it for free from the VirtualBox website and install it. We also have a video on how to install VirtualBox on Windows. If you are unsure of how to install, you can refer that video. Link is in the description box. Now let's download the Metasploitable machine. To do so, head towards a browser. Search for Metasploitable 2 download. Head over to SourceForge. Simply click on the download latest version. The file is large and is of almost 800 megabytes. Have a cup of coffee and wait till it gets completed. So now I have my Metasploitable zip file downloaded. Our task is to unzip the file and start installing it on our VirtualBox. If you are on Windows, right-click on this file and click on Extract Now. For Linux, I will be extracting it through Terminal. Use unzip and then the file name command to extract the file. Wait for a few seconds till it unzips. So we have our files unzipped. It's time to create our new virtual machine. Open up your virtual machine and click on New to add new machine. Give your VM a name. Let's say Metasploitable 2. Now, from the Type menu, select Linux. And select version as Linux 64-bit. Click on Next to proceed. Next, we need to configure the settings for our virtual machine. Allocate at least 512 MB of RAM and one processor, but you can increase it if you have enough resources. Moving forward, for the virtual hard disk, instead of creating a new one, select Use an existing virtual hard disk file. Use this Browse button to open up selecting window. Now click on Add and browse to the location where you extracted the Metasploitable 2 image. Select the file. Once done, click on Next and then Finish to finish adding our machine to VirtualBox. Before running our machine, we need to configure our network settings in order to access it. Go to Settings from the access bar. Navigate to Network tab. Change Attached to from NAT to Bridged Adapter. So we have all settings done. Let's start our virtual machine. Wait for a few seconds. To log in, use msfadmin as username and password. So I am successfully logged into my Metasploitable machine. To verify our machine is running and accessible, let's try to use nmap on our Metasploitable machine. Use ifconfig command to see the machine's IP address. Now let's go to our host machine. In Terminal, let's try to scan our machine through nmap. Wait for a few seconds. There we go, we have multiple ports open on our machine. You've successfully installed Metasploitable 2 on VirtualBox 7. Take some time to explore the various vulnerabilities and services running on the VM. You can use tools like Nessus and Metasploit to scan for vulnerabilities and launch attacks in a controlled environment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tutorials and ethical hacking content. Thanks for watching and happy hacking!